In this video, hello guys, I'm Gabriel. I'm going to be showing you on how to let me say how to crop your images first of all, and how to resize your image. Now people like me that I do YouTube, I can just like they are looking for a channel like a thumbnail, and they say it must be the size of 6 MB or below. I can just go to this edit pictures, the size, and I'll put the custom with the width and height. If you have ever learned cutting, you will know what width and height. Now if I can put 500, 1000 here, you can see it's become much smaller. Now how do I know that this is MB, this is 4 MB, this is 20 MB? First of all, I'll save this. I'll hit the save button. Then I'll right click, go to properties. Now you can see it here. It's 228 KB kilobytes, which is not up to a MB. Thank you.